In this video we will look at the Caltta PH660. The battery is removed by releasing the catch at the base of the radio and sliding the battery down. Attaching the battery is the opposite. When you hear a click, the battery is fully secured into place. On the side of the radio there are two programmable buttons. These are usually left unassigned but can be configured if needed. The largest button is the PTT, which when pressed allows the user to talk. Release the PTT when you have finished speaking and await reply. To power on the radio, rotate the volume switch clockwise and set to the desired audio level. Wait for a short series of beeps and the radio is ready to use. The channel switch can be used to select the desired channel. A range of audio accessories are available for the Caltta PH660. They can be attached by unscrewing the dust cover on the side of the radio with a flathead screwdriver and then inserting the top part of the plug into the recess above the gold dots. Align the accessory plug and tighten the thumb screw finger tight and the accessory is good to go. To charge the battery, insert the radio with battery attached into the charger. A red LED will confirm the battery is charging. A blinking red LED indicates there is an error. A battery can also be charged on its own. The LED will turn green when the battery is fully charged.